Welcome to Eagle Education. This is Sekhar Metla, software trainer. Today's topic, inheritance. This is a object oriented programming. We have to learn what is the inheritance. Inheritance, how our parents, the properties our child is getting. That is called inheritance. Likewise, in our Python program also, we'll make it as a parent class. Similarly, child classes will use. In child class, what are the parent class is having the properties. All the properties will invoke into the child class without disturbing the parent class. By declaring this object, whenever we are calling child class objects and the methods by passing the arguments, will have a good ideology and program extensions will use it. Let's see in this video session.
Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss you and teach you about inheritance in Python. Inheritance is an OOPS concept as we have discussed in our introduction session. If not, you can recap the introduction session. You'll have a good idea about OOPS concept. And now see here about inheritance. Inheritance will use to minimize the code and reduce the duplication of the code repeatedly writing in class methods and other form of code writing. We will see here a simple example. I will show you where the concerned possibilities will make you in a duplication of the code. Okay, I'm declaring here two classes. One is the name of the class is dog. Dog, what will do? It will walk, right? I'm declaring the method and print. What it will do here? It's in the printing means like a text. I am give you walk. I am giving. And one more method when I want declaring the class here, it is in a cat. You can take it as in a cat. And the function I am declared is an again cat also walk, the same. And print, I can say that it's an again walk. As you observe in these two classes, what it's going on here? Two classes I have defined here, and on two classes methods you can identify there is a duplication with the method of same this one, right? How to handle this type of instances and creation of the to avoid duplication while writing the code. But what it will tell that inheritance. Okay, Python doesn't understand empty classes even if we want. Hence, I have implemented these things. And now see here, I am implementing the class like let us see here. Yeah. In that super class, I am implementing here class that equal to mammal. The class I am implementing is a mammal, and there I have moving this method. Two methods are not required for me. One method super class I am mentioning here and paste over there and removing this duplication of the methods. Now two I have removed here, and Python or any interpreter will not accept of empty classes. This is the empty class, it's acceptable. And this mammal is a parent class where I am treating it's a child class as a dog as a child class. I am inheriting mammal as a parent class. Now see here, invoking for walk for bot, right? And similarly, it's not accepting showing red marks. So empty without empty, I'm telling something to here to pass, whereas in an empty, it can be possible to handle. Now see here, press enter here and pass. Okay. Now here also we come to end, press enter, pass. Now it can be acceptable. All right. Now see here and take an object of instantiation after two enters And what we can say that we have to test these methods are calling outside or not. What are the methods? This dog and cat, right? Now see, like what I want to say, puppy. P is a variable I have declared as a name of the object, and class name I'm calling whether it may be, we can call it as a dog or cat, also we can call it, no problem. And dog I'm calling here, and puppy dot object instantiation is over. Sorry, it's in a capital D. Yes, it's capital D. All right, class name, and puppy dot and walk. That's it. Puppy dot. When you press the puppy, the object dot walk, it's a C. It's automatically it's coming here. The parent class is inherited to this particular child classes. Okay. Now we will see here. We can say that the child class is inheriting a parent class. Right. Now what it will print? I hope it's a print. It will walk. Right. See. An execution. See how here we go. See its walk is printing. The child class is inheriting what the parent is having. The parent in real time scenarios, you'll know that the parents what the properties are they are having that will be inherited to the children. The behavior or something. Most of the cases, the behavior, the activities, what the parents are going to do, and what they are doing. Such parent behaviors it will be inherited to the children. Right. As we have seen the inheritance how it will be. Simple way. The classes, the dog type, we will see from more the parent class is inheriting what we have functions with the significant and specific functionality which is available in the child class. Child class which is inheriting parent class properties what are there, and without disturbing and without changing an existing class, we need to implement in the child classes. And now I can write something new in the dog. What it will do the dog? For the pass I am removing. Why? Because I am writing something here. In the method I can call it as a definition of method is dog will bark. Dog will bark, and I'm writing I'll bark. Print bark is sufficient. Okay, and here cat will the function cat is sleeping. Cat is sleeping. Cat is sleeping here. And method press enter. Print and the text is sleep. That's it. If you want this to avoid these type of lines and all, 2 empty line spaces is sufficient to avoid such errors. The compiler will tell you what is going on. Now, if you press walk here, and it will be prints the parents class what it's going on. So walk is method is printing. That's good. And whereas you can also instantiate of the child class and inherit the parents methods. Now see one more, I can child class like cat1, I can call the cat class like a cat, and here cat1 dot what is the having the children's class, so method is sleep plus 1 dot sleep. That's it. What is the sleep is having? It's an print is I'm sleeping. Now see here, it will be the cat what we are instantiated as an object of cat child class. All right, and inheriting as you seen child class inheriting with the parent class. What is the method is having here the properties, as well as if you directly calling the child class, and you can use the sleep of the child method as well. Now see here what I have done and execute. First line it will be print as an walk. If I instantiated this method, it will be using this. Sorry, it will be using this, and it's printing walk. And if I use the instantiation of this class, and within the self method, if I use to write the self I am sleeping, it is coming. To minimizing the code, how can be possible to avoid duplication, keep on writing the same methods and same lines of code? That can be very easy to write a programming structures using inheritances. Practice more and more, you will have a good idea.
I hope it will be helpful to you. Thanks for watching Eagle Education. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment. For more details, if any required regarding this tutorial, watch the below description where my contact details are available. Thank you.